Hišani, navadna hiša, res ni hiša kar tako. To hiša je eksperimentov, v njej vedoželjnim je lepo.
Hello to all our friends in Slovenia and happy 25th birthday to Hišo. You know, if you take part in znanstvenega, there's one thing that'll never get out of your mind, and that is that tune. But also znanstvenega will never get out of your heart. And I've done science festivals all over the world, in Poland, in China, in United Arab Emirates, in the UK. But the one in Slovenia was the one that stayed because it had such heart. And apart from being run with ruthless efficiency by a wonderful organization like Hišo, it was run with such heart and such feeling. So I'm proud to wear the colors of Hišo. You know, I wear many hats in my life, and I love my Hišo hat, but actually usually I wear the hat for Unizulu Science Center. I'm Derek Fish. I've been director of Unizulu Science Center in Richards Bay, South Africa for the past 30 years. We turned 35 this year. And we're a science center very much like Hišo, in that we're a small science center, we've had humble beginnings, and we've just focused on helping hundreds of thousands of children over these years. To Miha and Karen and the team at Hišo, I really want to encourage you. Quite often running a science center is a thankless task, but I think you know, along with Frank Oppenheimer, that something incredibly wonderful happens when children come in and experience science firsthand for themselves. And then they leave there saying, well, I'm a scientist because I've been doing science today. It doesn't matter who I am in life, I can be a scientist. So I want to wish you all the very best, heartiest congratulations, and just trust that your science center will keep going despite whatever else is happening around. So to close off, the znanstvenega tune again, and I wanted to do something unique. So I guarantee no one else has sent you a video with the znanstvenega tune played on the nose flute. Goodbye, my friends.
Hišani, navadna hiša, res ni hiša kar tako. To hiša je eksperimentov, v njej vedoželjnim je lepo.